Okay, so to start this project, I'm starting with the magic ring, and then into the magic ring 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm going to pull out the tail, then put my marker. So next row, I'm going to increase the stitches all the way around. So 2 single crochet each stitch. So 1 and 2. I'm going to repeat that all the way around. At the end of row 2, I have 12 stitches. Okay, the next row, row 3, I'm going to insert my hook at the back loop only. So next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3. And then next I'm going to make 3 decrease. So I'm going to insert again my hook at the back only, and then I have 3 loops all together. So 1, 2, and 3. And then I have remaining 3 stitches left. Going to make 1 single crochet each. 1, 2, and 3. So at the end of row 3, I have 9 stitches. In the next row, row 4, 1 single crochet all the way around, and I'm going to insert again my hook at the back loop only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The next row, row 5 and 6, 1 single crochet all the way around. I still have 9 stitches each round. So I'm going to finish the 2 rows and then I get back to you once I'm done. Okay, so done with my row 6. Next row, row 7, I'm going to make another 1 single crochet all the way around, but I'm going to insert my hook only at the front loop. So I still have 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so done with my row 7. I'm going to finish the stitch with this orange yarn, and then next row, row 8, I'm going to work in this front loop line here inside. So in row 8, I'm going to use this skin color yarn and then start working at the back. So 1 single crochet each stitch. I'm going to make a slip stitch first, and then 1 single crochet each stitch in this front loop line. So 9 stitches at the end of row 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. At this moment, I want to put some stuffing. So put some stuffing. And then next row, I'm going to put my marker first. Next row is row 9 to 12. 4 rounds of 1 single crochet all the way around. I still have 9 stitches each round, so I'm going to finish this first, and then I get back to you once I'm done with my row 12. And 9. So done with my row 12. I already did the first leg. Next row is row 13. I'm going to connect the legs together. So I'm going to place my marker first and then start my single crochet 1 until I reach the middle part. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then chain 2 and then connect to the other leg. So since the end stitch of this other leg is in the side, I'm going to insert my hook to this loop and then start my single crochet 1 there. So I'm going to make another single crochet next 8 stitches. So right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 'So, and then I'm going to make single crochet 1 to this chain 2 in the middle. So for the gap in between the legs. And then continue making the 1 single crochet again into the first leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So at the end of row 13, I have 22 stitches all the way around, including the chain 2 in the middle. So next row, I'm going to make 1 single crochet again each stitch to the next 4 rounds. So row 14 to 17, 4 rows of 1 single crochet all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so done with my row 17 for rounds of 1 single crochet. Then next, I'm going to place my marker and then working at the front loop only, I'm going to make another 1 single crochet all the way around. So I still have 22 stitches. 1, 2, 1. Okay. So done with my row 18. Next row, row 19, 20, 21, 22, 4 rounds of 1 single crochet again all the way around. So I still have 22 stitches. I'm going to finish my 4 rows of 1 single crochet, and then I get back to you once I'm done. So done with my 4 rounds of 1 single crochet. Next row, row 23. I'm going to place my marker first. Next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet. So 1 and 2, and then decrease next 2 stitches. So 3 loops all together. I'm going to repeat that all the way around. At the end of row 23, I have now 17 stitches. Next row 24, so I'm going to put my marker first. 1 single crochet to the first stitch, and then decrease next 2 stitches. I'm going to repeat that all the way around, but at the end of row 24, in the last 2 stitches, I'm going to make 1 single crochet, so that the total of the stitches in row 24 should be 12 stitches.